Welcome to Everyday Encouragement. Today's video can be used as a guideline to help make it easier for you to reach your desired goals. A goal is defined as the aim or end result that a person is trying to achieve. No matter who you are, or where you come from, one thing that we all have in common is that we all have some type of ambition or effort that we would like to achieve in life. Most dreams and goals are accomplished by having some type of an effective plan or system in place. Without some type of method for structuring and tracking your goal, it can be easily put off or forgotten about. If you are serious about achieving what you want to accomplish, then it should be important about how you go about it. Here is a simple and useful way to help give you the best chance to reach your desired goal. I call it the SURE goal system. It is the sure and easy way to reach your goal. The letter S stands for specific. Try to be specific about your goal and strategize your steps along the way that will get you to your end result. The U in SURE is for utilize. Utilize your resources by making a plan that is written down on paper. Be as detailed as you can be. Although reaching our goals takes work and dedication, more importantly it takes a well thought out written plan. A good plan consists of a step-by-step method that lays out exactly how you are going to reach your goal. It is our visual roadmap that gives us an idea of where we are headed, how we will get there, and what our achievement will look like at the end. This way, as you are working towards your goal, you can check off each step on your list to see that you are making progress. This can help make each step seem more achievable and also help you track your progression along the way as you become closer to your target. Without it, it's easy to become overwhelmed or lose sight of our goals. If we do not have some type of strategy written down on paper, too often our goals and dreams may end up being only wishes and hopes. Next is the R in SURE is for reinforce. Reinforce your written plan by executing and committing yourself to a timeline to track your progress. Decide how much time you will devote each day or week for working towards your goal. During this time when you are working on them, remember to dedicate your time and stay focused as much as possible, and always try to make it a point to get rid of any distractions. Distractions are a huge factor for why goals get delayed. Also, it is a good idea to create a visual timeline on paper that includes milestones and deadlines for each of the steps in your plan. This can help empower you as you are moving forward. Lastly, is the E in SURE. The E stands for empower. Empower yourself with a positive mindset. Have the confidence in your ability to reach your goal and enjoy the process of working towards your goal. Although it takes effort, if you can see your progress along the way, it will help you stay energized. By having a clear vision of our target, writing down a good plan, and tracking it, it will help us to stay positive as we work towards the end results of our dreams and goals. Achieving our goals can be our greatest accomplishments in life. Having a clear vision with a step-by-step system is one of the most important parts of achieving any goal, followed by your belief, commitment, focus, and your determination. Your SURE goal system can help keep you on course and give you something to work towards. By breaking down your goal into smaller steps, committing to yourself, and setting realistic timelines and milestones, you'll be well on your way to achieving your intentions. And don't forget, it's okay if you make a few mistakes along the way. It is all part of the process, so try to learn from them, as they are your stepping stones along the way to your accomplishments. There is no doubt that goals are important, so try to set yourself up for success right from the beginning by using the SURE goal system. Start by having a good plan written down on paper, commit to it, track it, and keep focused to achieve your goals in life. Lastly, remember to celebrate every milestone, no matter how small they are. Be proud that you are making progress every day, because over time, it will all add up. With all your effort and dedication, your hard work will pay off, and you'll be able to enjoy the rewards of your accomplishments. I will leave you today with one of my favorite quotes, by Rob Hill Sr. My goal is to build a life where I don't need a vacation from. I thought that was a real great goal to keep in mind and work towards. Thanks for your time. And remember to make it your limitless goal to be the best you can be.